Welcome guys, today I am with JBL Reflect Mini noise cancelling earbuds and I'm going to show you how easy you can update firmware of this earbud. So at the first you have to remember to connect them to your JBL headphones application. If you don't know how to make it, you can find this video on our YouTube channel. Then when you are in the application, for sure you have to pick the model of your earbuds. And then you can tap right here or simply go for this gear settings icon, scroll down, click on the firmware, and as you can see right here we will get the new version of the update, the new version to update, that's 4.20 in my case, the preview of the latest features that they improve, and at the bottom you will find also the notification that the battery level on your headphones needs to be above the 50% to perform a firmware update. And when you charge them to the 50% at least, you will get right here the button to download the software, the software update. And you don't have to basically do anything, just click here and wait until it will be downloaded and installed on your earbuds. Just follow each step you will find right here. That's very simple and obvious, but that's how you can find this update feature. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.